The overall goal of this novel method is to convert pentosan present in jute biomass into C5 sugars using acidic ionic liquids. This method can also be used for the determination of pentosan concentrations present in the jute biomass.
This method enables the synthesis of C5 sugars from various low biomass in aqueous media using a catalytic amount of acidic ionic liquid.
The main advantage of this technique is that the acidic ionic liquid used for the conversion of jute biomass performs better compared to mineral acids.
First, add 7.625 millimoles of 1,3-propane sultone to a cooled 50 milliliter round-bottom flask and seal the flask with a rubber septum. Using a 1 milliliter syringe, slowly add 7.625 moles of 1-methylimidazole to the flask over 10 minutes at 0 degrees Celsius.
For the successful synthesis of this acidic ionic liquid, the addition of 1,3-propane sultone and 1-methylimidazole should be performed very slowly at 0 degrees Celsius.
Following this, add 15 milliliters of dry toluene to the reaction mixture. After removing the ice water bath, reflux the reaction mixture for 16 hours at 120 degrees Celsius to obtain the solid zwitterion. After the reaction is complete, separate the zwitterion from toluene using vacuum filtration. Then wash the zwitterion with 40 milliliters of toluene. For drying the zwitterion, set the temperature of an oven to 80 degrees Celsius.